We're here. We can go to IHOP too. Yeah. Woo! Wait, how much?
You have to pay a toll.
How much? You want me to get cash?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Baby, I will hurt you never.
It's so pretty.
Big.
It's so
huge.
pretty.
This is what Donald Trump was talking about.
We're here. Darvin drives me fucking crazy. Oh my god. It's like heaven. But yellow. This is so cool. We're at IKEA. Oh my god. Can we go in here even though I don't want anything?
These are pillows.
What the fuck? Same kid. Do you guys see these trash cans? Look at these trash cans.
This one was only 49 cents.
Oh my god, they have chairs on walls. There's the beauty. You're not gonna get
I
it?
get to walk over though.
Welcome to my home. I could stay here forever. I probably shouldn't though. I'm gonna get left. No. Look at this. I very badly want this. Nick. Isn't this nice?
It's a bowl.
But I want it. I should have researched. I wasn't ready.
It's what really is beautiful about stores. You can buy things.
What? Okay. My shoe keeps coming inside. This is really nice.
Stop being weird.
That's
There are other people here.
But I am 17 years old. I still have too much youth in me. Look at this. I feel like I'm in one of those smart houses, except nothing works. Oh my gosh. This is literally off of the cooking channel. Do you think the cooking channel shops at IKEA? Do you think Rachel Ray shops
Right now?
for $700? How are we gonna get out of here?
Follow the exit.
There's a fucking map.
It's a gym.
Oh, look at these. I can't fit. I'm too tall. The one time I'm too tall. That usually never happens. This chair looks uncomfortable. So does that one. Like, whose back works like that? I don't know. Look, it's the Pixar lamp. It's the Pixar lamp. It's a laptop, Nick. What is that? What are you doing?
The table's getting higher.
Oh, I see it. What's that? I don't know what that is. I feel stupid. Oh, I can't go in these places because I get really tempted
To what?
to lay on them.
Because you're a child.
And what are you?
A sophisticated young man.
They're so tie my shoe.
Shoehorns.
Oh. They really just have baskets of just about everything. They have baskets of dogs. They should have baskets of people then.
This is the scary section of all the children.
This isn't that.
This is where all the bad stuff happens. All the little kids go berserk. They
Berserk.
go sicko mode on everyone. Look, Leela, something that you can learn to cook on. The most vital section of IKEA.
The only reason to go to IKEA is for the restaurant.
For food.
You drove a half an hour to get IKEA food
I drove
in Bowling Green.
20 minutes, thank you very much. Don't insult my drive times. Meatballs.
This is salmon balls.
The meatballs, what are you getting? You're probably gonna get chicken tenders and meatballs.
I don't know. Okay, I don't know how to do this.
Oh, we can drive.
Putting my paper here. Okay, vegetable bowl time. You're fine. Oh, okay. Thank you.
You want to grab some?
I have no idea. I've never been here before. Sister saving. Vegetable balls. Something I really remember is like where they put the kids at. It used to be so much fun. I'm too old.
You just get put down there?
Yeah. Woo. This card is so hard to steal. So we're in the self-serve furniture area, which is where I'm going to pick up my table. What did you say? I know, I haven't. This is huge. And it smells like Sam's Club in here. You got it. Is that it?
Yep.
Nice. Only for $5. Shoes are still untied. He looks like a mom. Success. And we found the cookies. So we're done at IKEA. How would you say this trip was?
As I expected. You know, pretty casual. You guys remember looking for a good meal? Meatballs and Rigonberry jam. Really hit the spot. God bless the Steves. Except for the fact that they prison ASAP Rocky. That's not okay.
Yeah, that's not okay, IKEA. Success! Success! I would click my heels, but my shoes are untied. Bye, IKEA.
Farewell.
It was real fun. I probably won't come back. Like ever.
Fasten your seatbelt!
Ah! I got a table. Done. 3 more to go. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Done.